In today's video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to make $100 every single day with the mini importation business model using just one secret website. As a matter of fact, let me blow your mind. If we come to Amazon right now, we're going to be seeing the fact that this particular product is sold for $29.50, which is approximately $30, right? And on Jumia right here, this same product is sold for about $34,000, which is actually about $35 or so, right? Now, on our secret website right here, we're going to be seeing the fact that this same product is being sold for just $9. Now this means that right here on Amazon is $29, on our secret website is just $9, right? So if we do the mathematics, that means that there's a $20 scheme on each product that you sell. Now, this person on Amazon has sold over 522,000, right? Which is people that have actually left reviews. And if you do the mathematics, 522,896 multiplied by 20 will give you over $10 million. That's around $10.5 million. That's exactly how much this person has actually made doing this. I'm going to show you exactly how you can do the exact same thing and get the exact same result. Now, the most important part of this particular video is the part where I'm going to be showing you how to find the best-selling product, both on Amazon, on Jumia, and all the other websites. So you can go on this website for a fraction of the price and sell it for a big profit on some of these big websites, right? I'm going to be getting you all through all of this. And I'm also going to be showing you guys exactly how to set up an account on this secret website, how to actually make your purchase, and things to look out for when you are buying something that you want to resell using the mini importation business model, guys. So it's important for you to stay with me from beginning up until the end of this video, as I'm going to be leaving those stone unturned. I'm going to be showing you guys everything. And the only thing I need from you is to make sure you hit the like button on this video, subscribe to my channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification button so that when I drop more amazing video, just like what you're about to watch right now, YouTube is going to set the notification instantly. Jump right into my screen and let me show you guys exactly how to make $100 every single day using the mini importation business model and this secret website, which I'm going to be showing you guys in a little while. So if we come to our secret website right here, what we're going to do is to come here where it says sign in or join, right? I'm going to come here and click on join free, which is very important. That's the first thing you need to do. They're going to put our email address right here. Put our email address right here. Click on I agree right here and click on next. Okay, this is very important. So I'm going to hold this guy and swipe it and make sure it fits this page. I'm going to leave it alone. So it says verifying, verification passed. Beautiful. So I'm going to click on next. Okay. So a code has been sent to our email. So we need to find that code and bring it into this space. So this is our code right here, 6915. So I'm going to come back to our secret website, 915 right here. Then I'm going to hit next, okay? So right here, it's asking us to put our password here, confirm password, select our region, and put our name right here, company, and our phone number. So let's do that real quick. So I have filled all of this out. I'm going to come here and click on next, right? Then it brings me right here where it's asking us to, so let's say sourcing product, let's say Crocs, right? Crocs. You can click here and add more stuff. Let's say you want to want to buy bikes and stuff like that. Remember, I'm still going to be showing you how to get the best selling product so you are not actually losing your money. So do all of this, then come here, business type, I'm a retailer, right, wholesaler, whatever it is, you go select the right one for you, right? So I'm going to come here, annual purchase volume, less than 10,000 or more, whatever it is, right? So purchasing frequency, how often are you buying stuff on this website? I'm going to come here and say less than 1 month, right? Frequency, I'm going to hit submit, okay? So beautiful, it says register successfully. So we have actually set up an account on this secret website. Remember, I'm going to be showing you this website in a little while. And the reason is because I want only people who are actually serious about using this website, because I don't want this website to become saturated, okay? So you can manage your profile in my account. So then click on my account and actually manage my profile. Let me show you guys exactly how to do that before I show you how to get the best selling product and actually source them and actually pay for them and get them delivered to you wherever you are in the world. So right here, it says your sourcing specialist, you see the phone number, you see the email address right here. Everything is there right here because we just created this account right now. So right here, it says my account point is 21. I can click on edit, right? To actually fix some of these things, upload your picture, right? Upload my picture right here. My full name is here. Backup email, right? I can put another email that you own. You know, the fax number here, your telephone number, right? This is also very important. Department, position, you know, as you fill this out, social media, WhatsApp contact, and all of that. As you fill this out, your bonus actually increases. So it's important for you to actually take your time and fill all of this out. So I've filled all of this out, my picture, everything. I'm going to come here and hit save, right? And this gets saved right here, okay? So you can edit your password, the company info, you can fix all of these things. So you see, this has increased from 21 to 30 right now. And the more we fill our information, the more it increases, and it gives us more credibility on this particular website. So coming to this website right now, we're going to see that there's a whole lot of things for you to choose from, right? There's a whole lot happening. So the question you might have right now is, how do you find the best-selling product, right? Let me show you guys that right now, because right here, there are a lot of categories: manufacturing, consumer electronics, industrial equipment. There's a whole lot for you to choose from. One of the big issues you might have is actually finding the right product for you to actually sell, on this particular website. And I'm going to be helping you with that. Before we jump right into it, if you're getting any value from this video, I want to encourage you again, if you've not done that, to smash the like button on this video, subscribe to my channel, most importantly, turn on the notification button, so that when I drop more amazing videos, just like what you're watching right now, YouTube is going to send you a notification instantly. And if you have any questions at all, let me know in the comment section, or just go ahead and say, thank you, Gerald, for this mini importation video, right? And I'm going to be appreciating that. So how do you find the right product, the best-selling product, where you can actually sell and make money with it? Now, the best product for you to sell are products that people are actually selling and making money with it. And there's a way to actually find these things out. So if I come right here to Amazon right now, I'm going to click on where it says all, and I'm going to select best sellers, right? And once I click on it, it's going to show me all the best-selling products on Amazon right now in different categories. Now, let me show you that. If I come here right now, under the clothing, shoes, and jewelry category, you're going to be seeing that this Crocs has sold over 500,000 pieces at $29. And I just showed you guys this particular product is about $9 on our secret website. So, and this one right here, Under Armour men's tech t-shirt, is sold for $10, and it has sold over 79,000 pieces on Amazon.com. And it can go on and on and on, and click on this place to actually see more, right? Look at Under Armour men's charged assets running. You keep going on and on. You're going to be seeing a whole lot of these things. This is a Nippies nipple cover, sticky adhesive. So let's take a look at this. Let's take a look at this right now. I'm going to copy this right now, Control C this, come to our secret website, drop it here, right? I'm going to clean here, remove this number that was copied from Amazon, and click search, right? So right here, right now, you see that this product is not found on this particular website, but there's another way to actually look for it without using the name. Let me show you that right now. So if I come here right now, this is the product here. So I'm going to click on this product, and it's going to open up right now. So this is the image of this particular product right now. This is the image, and these are different colors of the same product. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to come to my computer and search for my snipping tool, which allows me to take a screenshot of any image that is on my computer. So I'm going to come here right now and click on snipping tool. Now I'm going to click on new, and I'm going to take a screenshot of this particular image right now, right? So once I've done that, I'm going to come here and I'm going to hit save to save this on my computer. This has been saved on my computer right now. So I'm going to come back to our secret website and remove all of this. Instead of typing the name of the product right here, I'm going to click on this camera icon here. I click on it, click on upload image, and upload the image, the screenshot that I just took right now. So I double tap this, and it comes into this place. So what's going to happen is that this product is going to use that image. This website is going to use that image to find the same product for us on its platform. And that's what it has done right now. So right here, you see that this product right here, glue adhesive silicone milk, pasta, blah, 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 is sold for just less than $2. This one is sold for less than about 1 cent, basically, right? For a pair, right? For a pair, about 1 cent. Now, on Amazon, this product is sold for $26. Now, look at how crazy the markup is, right? And this person has sold over 32,000. Now, do the mathematics. 32,000 multiplied by, let's say, about $25, $24. Let me know how much that is in the comment section. So you begin to see exactly how much can be made using this particular method, yeah? So let's come back to Amazon and go back again. So you begin to see a whole lot of these things. Let's go back. This is another category called automotive. So you begin to see all of this, right? So there's wiper, there's local boost, this ultra safe, charging and all of this, right? You keep going, you keep seeing a whole lot of these things. Car windshield, sunshade, hot trash can with lid and storage pocket, chemical guys, a whole lot, right? And I can basically take a screenshot of any product right on Amazon, and we're going to be seeing how crazily cheap it is on this secret website, right? So I'm going to be telling you guys how to get to this website in a little while. So we keep going down. You're going to be seeing a whole lot of other products. Look at this product sold for $45 right here. On our secret website, this same product is sold for about $2, right? This is right here, about $2 per piece, and like a whole lot, a fraction of the cost on Amazon and this other and all the other websites, So this is actually amazing. This is amazing, right? And this is one of the best ways to actually make $100 every single day, online using the mini importation business model. And they keep going down. This is a bestsellers in electronics, Apple AirTags, keep going on, and their earbuds, Amazon Fire Stick. You keep going in the Roku streaming, Echo Pop, Surge Protector Power Strip. There's a whole lot of products right here. You keep going on and on and on. You're going to be seeing a whole lot of them, right? And all you need to do is to take this product that are bestsellers that we're actually making a lot of money with, take it on our secret website, and it's going to show you guys exactly how much it is, which is usually a fraction of how much is sold on Amazon. So you can bring that product, sell it on Amazon for just a fraction. So let's say that we have decided that we want to actually go with this particular product right now. Let's say we want to buy this product right now. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to click on this product, right? And this is it right here. So it says that you can buy this product for $2.09, but the minimum order is 3,000 pieces. So you can buy 3,000 pieces, right? And begin to sell it on Amazon. But hey, the demand is very high, so there's no reason why you would actually make a lot of money. So there are different colors right here. Okay, a whole lot of colors, different variations. So, and shipping costs to be negotiated, so you can negotiate the shipping cost. But let's say you actually want to buy one, right? If you want to buy one, you buy $8 per piece. If you're in a different country where Amazon is not the biggest e-commerce website in that country, there are other websites that you can use, something like gmail.com, that is in a whole lot of African countries and so on, and it is the exact same process. So let's say we've decided to actually buy this product right now. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to come here and click on start order. You're going to put your shipping address right here, which is where you want this shipped to. Put in your billing address right here, right? And of course, minimum piece is 3,000, which is why you're only paying $6,270, right? But hey, let me even blow your mind. Let's say you buy this for $6,270, which is for 3,000 pieces, right? And you're selling it for this. Now, this guy that is selling this product on Amazon has actually sold over 17,000 pieces, right? So 17,000 multiplied by $45, it begins to give you an idea of how much the person has made with a less than $10,000 investment, right? So this is actually one of the best ways to actually make money online. So if you come down right here, we're going to put in your remark right here, shipping cost negotiable and all of that. Then you can actually come here, click on this, and click on submit order, right? And that's where your order actually starts. One of the things I love about this particular website is the fact that their customer service is top notch, right? So you can basically come here and click on have any questions. You can actually initiate a chat right here, right? And actually chat with them, for help and stuff like that, right? So, and you can drop feedback as well. Now, this is the first way, right? So you can go ahead and take a look at their service guarantee, return policy, and of course secure trading, right? And do all of this. The secret website I've been talking about is a website called madeinchina.com. So the mini importation business model is actually one of the best ways to make $100 every single day on the internet. Especially the fact that the profit margin is actually very high, right? You have seen products that are being sold for as little as just $1, selling for as high as $20, $25, right? So that's a lot of money to be made. So if you have any questions, tell me in the comment section. I'm going to be there to answer all of your questions, guys. So until I see you in my next video, keep waiting. And don't forget that Gerald does love you guys. Bye from here, guys.